Summer is the perfect time to get outside, travel, relax, and make unforgettable memories. But the right gadgets can make every adventure even better. In this video, I'm sharing 10 summer gadgets I can't live without, featuring innovative products that help you stay cool, protected, entertained, and ready for anything. From the powerful TORRAS COOLiFY 2026 CyberFold AI Neck Air Conditioner to outdoor favorites like the Thermacell E-ZoneGuard, Patio Mosquito Repeller, and fun essentials like the Ninja CREAMi Scoop and Swirl Ice Cream Maker, these are the gadgets that make summer more comfortable, convenient, and enjoyable wherever you go. Number 1. Ever step outside and instantly regret your outfit? That sticky, sweaty feeling hits way too fast. Even a regular fan can feel completely useless, especially when you need hands-free comfort on the move. Then I found the TORRAS COOLiFY CyberFold. It looks sleek, futuristic, and surprisingly compact. But the real surprise is the cooling power. It delivers instant, deep chill down to 10 degrees Celsius, so you feel relief almost immediately. Not just airflow, real wearable air conditioning. The adjustable vents let you target face or neck. That matters because the face heats up fastest. You can direct cooling exactly where you need it. No more sweating through your commute or vacation. The 8 airflow outlet design feels incredibly surrounding. It keeps the upper body cooler for longer, and the foldable body makes travel much easier. Just pack it, carry it, and go. Perfect for flights, cruises, festivals, and road trips. It also works in cooling, heating, and AI auto modes. So comfort doesn't stop when the season changes. With lightweight wear and a 6000 mAh battery, you can stay comfortable for hours on end. Great for outdoor work, golf, travel, or long walks. And honestly, it makes a pretty great gift too, especially for dads, husbands, or anyone who hates heat. The gift box looks premium and thoughtfully designed. If you want cooler days and easier travel, this is the upgrade worth getting. Try the TORRAS COOLiFY CyberFold today. Number 2. Still using messy sunscreen tubes on busy outings? Compare that with Solar Buddy's clean roll-on applicator. Regular tubes leave sticky hands and uneven coverage. This applicator helps sunscreen go on smoothly. Parents save time during rushed mornings and trips. Kids get easier, more independent application too. Unlike squeezing from tubes, this stays controlled. Less mess means less waste and frustration. Its refillable design works with your preferred sunscreen. That means fewer disposable bottles and better value. The compact 4-ounce size fits travel bags easily. Perfect for holidays, school bags, and outdoor days. Compared with bulky bottles, it packs far better. The child-friendly grip makes it easy to hold. Even small hands can apply it confidently. The soft sponge helps spread lotion more evenly. That creates smoother coverage than quick hand rubbing. It is designed for kids, adults, and families. Beach trips, sports, park visits, and daily use. Unlike messy shared tubes, it keeps application cleaner. The award-winning design has earned major media attention, seen on BBC Dragon's Den and The Weather Channel, also featured on This Morning and The Today Show. That recognition supports its innovation and retail success. Compared with ordinary applicators, it feels more practical. It is refillable, portable, and built for convenience. If you want easier sunscreen routines, choose smarter. Solar Buddies makes protection simpler for every family. Pack it for travel and use it daily. Get clean, controlled, mess-free sun protection today. Number 3. Craving dessert night vibes without leaving home? Meet the Kusini S'mores Maker, your indoor fun upgrade. Reason 1. Flameless heating brings cozy roasting safely indoors. Enjoy fire pit-style treats without smoke, mess, or stress. Perfect for families who want sweet moments together. Kids and adults can join the fun confidently. Reason 2. 4 detachable trays make sharing effortless. Chocolate, marshmallows, and crackers stay neatly organized. No more juggling toppings across the table. Everyone gets easy access for a smoother snack experience. 4 roasting forks keep the action moving fast. Set up, roast, stack, and enjoy every bite. Reason 3. Compact tabletop design fits any occasion beautifully. Movie night, date night, game night, or birthday parties. It turns ordinary evenings into memorable little celebrations. The sleek black finish looks stylish on any table. Assembly is simple, so you start roasting in minutes. Just place the heater, add trays, plug in, and enjoy. It is the kind of gift people actually use. Great for housewarmings, weddings, Valentine's Day, and holidays. A fun pick for families, party hosts, and dessert lovers. Make cozy memories without leaving the comfort of home. Serve sweet treats, share laughs, and keep the vibe going. This set delivers fun, convenience, and instant crowd appeal. If you love easy entertaining, this is a smart buy. If you need a gift, this one feels thoughtful. If you want better nights in, start here. Grab the Kusini S'mores maker and upgrade dessert time. Tap now, bring it home, and start making memories. Your next favorite family night is waiting. Number 4. Tired of mosquitoes ruining your outdoor plans? Meet Thermacell E-ZoneGuard Patio, your patio protection upgrade. Reason 1. It creates a powerful 20-foot mosquito zone. That means better comfort while dining, relaxing, or entertaining. No buzzing interruptions, no swatting, no constant annoyance. Reason 2. It works without sticky sprays or lotions. Just press the button and let it heat up. In about 15 minutes, protection kicks into gear. It is scent-free, DEET-free, and completely flame-free. That makes outdoor time cleaner, easier, and more enjoyable. Reason 3. It is rechargeable and ready for repeated use. Enjoy up to 5.5 hours of battery-powered mosquito defense. Plus, you get a 12-hour refill included. Perfect for patios, campsites, backyard gatherings, and travel. It is TSA compliant, so pack it with confidence. Thermacell uses scientifically proven technology to repel mosquitoes effectively. Trusted outdoors for over 25 years. And for good reason. It targets mosquito sensors and helps keep them away. That means consistent protection that does not fade quickly. It is also people and pet-friendly for outdoor use, so your family can enjoy the space comfortably together. From patio dinners to camping nights, it changes everything. The sleek blue design looks great and stays portable, compact, easy to use, and built for everyday outdoor living. If mosquitoes keep winning, it is time to fight back. Choose a cleaner alternative to sprays, smoke, and mess. Choose comfort that actually lasts through the evening. Bring home Thermacell E-ZoneGuard Patio today. Enjoy your outdoor space the way it should feel. Mosquito-free, relaxed, and ready for every great moment. Number 5. The campsite falls silent as the sun sinks low. Friends gather, expecting another ordinary night under the stars. Then a blue speaker lands on the table. Soundcore boom. 2 flashes awake with vibrant RGB light. A single tap unleashes deep, punchy bass. Bass up 2 shakes the air with thrilling force. The whole campsite starts moving to the rhythm. Crisp highs and rich mids stay beautifully clear. Even at full volume, every detail cuts through. Music spills across the patio like a live concert. Laughter rises as the night turns electric. Someone grabs the handle, heading toward the beach. Boom! 2 rides along, compact and adventure-ready. Waves crash nearby, but the beat never fades. Its IPX7 waterproof body ignores splashes completely. Then it slips into the water and floats. No panic, just cheers and more music. By midnight, the battery still keeps going. Up to 24 hours means the party continues. A phone powers up from the built-in power bank. The night is saved without searching for outlets. Back in the backyard, the mood changes again. Pro EQ in the app tailors every beat. Bright lights match bonfires, birthdays, and sunset hangs. From poolside chaos to calm late-night conversations. Boom 2 delivers powerful sound with effortless control. Trusted by Anchor, built for real-world adventures. For camping, beach days, and unforgettable parties. Bring the bass, bring the light, bring the vibe. Soundcore Boom 2 is ready when you are. Number 6. Last weekend, my playlist died halfway through a beach hangout. My old speaker sounded weak, tinny, and barely audible outside. Friends kept asking me to turn it up louder, but the sound just couldn't cut through wind and waves. I needed something portable, tough, and seriously loud fast. Then I spotted the Beats pill online while scrolling. The sleek, pill-shaped design instantly grabbed my attention. It looked premium, compact, and perfect for everyday carry. I clicked because the battery life sounded unreal. Up to 24 hours of non-stop music? That's wild. One feature hit hardest: powerful sound in a tiny body. Also, it's water-resistant, so pool days feel worry-free. I ordered it immediately, expecting a decent upgrade. The moment it arrived, setup was ridiculously easy. Bluetooth pairing took seconds on both my phone and tablet. Then the first song dropped. And wow! The bass felt punchy, clean, and way louder than expected. Suddenly, my beach setup had real energy. No more dead zones, no more awkward silence. I could move from room to patio effortlessly. Travel days got better too, because it slips anywhere. The carrying design makes it easy to grab and go. Rain, splash, or dust, it handles the chaos. Now my music follows me everywhere, stress-free. Workouts, road trips, and late-night hangs all sound bigger. This little speaker completely solved my weak audio problem. It's loud, durable, stylish, and built for non-stop use. If your current speaker disappoints, why keep settling? Wouldn't you rather upgrade to sound that actually hits? Go get the Beats pill before it sells out. Number 7. I kept missing workouts. My sleep felt chaotic, and recovery crashed. My old tracker was bulky, flashy, and honestly annoying daily. I needed something smarter, lighter, and way more discreet. Then one scroll later, Google FitBit Air popped up. The screenless design instantly caught my attention. No distractions, no glow, just clean health tracking. I loved the ultra-comfortable, micro-adjustable fit immediately. It looked like a sleek band, not a gadget. That lavender finish made it feel stylish too. I ordered it fast because the battery promised 7 days. Fast charging meant less waiting, more living. The setup was simple, and wearing it felt effortless. I put it on for work, workouts, and sleep. It stayed secure, without squeezing or sliding around. Tracking my steps became automatic, not another chore. Heart rate monitoring helped me understand my training better. Sleep insights finally showed why I woke up exhausted. The personalized coaching felt like having a real guide. It adapted to my routine, not the other way around. When I missed rest, it told me to slow down. When I pushed harder, it supported the next move. That made recovery feel intentional, not guesswork. Now my days feel more balanced and productive. My workouts improved because I could actually stay consistent. Even my sleep routine got better within days. This is the easiest health upgrade I've tried. If you want effortless tracking, this is it. Why keep guessing when your body deserves smarter support? Wouldn't you rather wear something this comfortable and powerful? Tap in now and upgrade your health today. Number 8. Tired of powder clumps ruining every protein shake? Manual shaking wastes time and never blends evenly. Meal replacements can taste rough with a gritty texture. Carrying bulky mixers makes your gym bag feel crowded. Leaky lids can spill everywhere after one quick shake. VOLTRX changes that with one-touch electric mixing power. USB rechargeable design keeps it ready whenever you need. No cords, no hassle, just simple daily convenience. It blends protein powder smoothly in seconds. You get lump-free shakes with a consistent texture. The powerful mixer handles shakes and meal replacements easily. BPA-free Triton gives you a safer, cleaner drinking experience. The 24-ounce size fits post-workout or mealtime needs. It is spacious enough without feeling too heavy. Clear construction makes measuring and monitoring easy. The secure lid helps reduce spills during busy mornings. The portable design suits the gym, office, and travel. Carry it anywhere and mix fresh drinks on demand. For fitness routines, it saves time before and after training. For busy professionals, it makes nutrition feel effortless. For meal replacement users, it improves consistency and comfort. For protein drinkers, it delivers smoother results every time. Less shaking, less mess, and far better blending. That means more focus on your goals, not preparation. A cleaner shake can make healthy habits easier to keep. Reliable mixing helps you stay consistent day after day. Enjoy better tasting shakes without the usual frustration. VOLTRX turns a simple cup into a smarter routine. Recharge, mix, drink, and move on with confidence. A practical upgrade for anyone serious about nutrition. Number 9. Whoa! This passport holder looks seriously premium. Satechi made it slim, black, and travel-ready. I was immediately curious about the Find My feature. Let's open it up and see everything inside. First impression, clean stitching, soft vegan leather, great feel. It looks compact, but the layout is surprisingly practical. This holds your passport, cards, and travel documents together. That alone already makes airport organization way easier. Inside, there's space for up to 4 cards. And yes, RFID protection is built right in. That gives me extra peace of mind while traveling. The boarding pass slot keeps everything accessible at security. No more digging through bags or jacket pockets. The slim profile is another huge win here. It slips easily into a pocket or carry-on. For minimal packers, this design makes a lot of sense. Now the coolest part, built-in Apple Find My. If I misplace it, I can track it instantly. That's perfect for passports. Honestly, because losing one is stressful. It also sends left-behind alerts when you walk away. No extra tracker needed, which keeps things simple. The rechargeable battery is another smart touch. Wireless charging makes topping it up really convenient. I like that it avoids disposable batteries completely. It feels more sustainable and more travel-friendly. Overall, it looks durable, practical, and very Apple user-friendly. If you travel often, this is genuinely useful, especially if you care about security and organization. I'd recommend it for travelers, digital nomads, and Apple users. If that's you, this one is definitely worth a look. Number 10. Craving dessert without the ice cream shop trip? Meet the Ninja CREAMi Scoop and Swirl. It turns almost anything into frozen favorites fast. Reason 1. Scoop or swirl. Your choice. Classic scoops for comfort, soft serve for fun. 13 one-touch programs make every craving easy. Ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, yogurt, and more. One machine. Endless dessert possibilities at home. Reason 2. Control every ingredient you use. Make low-sugar, dairy-free, vegan, or nut-free treats. Go high-protein and lower-calorie without sacrificing flavor. That means smarter desserts for the whole family. Reason 3. Soft serve is now home-ready. CREAMiFY technology creates smooth, creamy swirls quickly. The automatic handle makes cone time super easy. 3 speed settings keep every swirl looking great. Add chocolate, fruit, nuts, or candy mix-ins. Customize texture and flavor exactly how you like. It's interactive, fun, and perfect for all ages. Family movie nights just got a serious upgrade. Kids love it, and adults do too. Cleanup stays simple with dishwasher-safe parts. The included pints store your creations easily. BPA-free materials add extra peace of mind. Built for everyday treats and weekend dessert parties. From healthy pints to indulgent swirls, it delivers. If you love dessert, this one belongs in kitchen. If you want control, convenience, and variety, buy it. If you want smiles at home, get it now. Tap in, grab yours, and start swirling today. Those are my 10 must-have summer gadgets that make everything from backyard barbecues and beach days to road trips and vacations more fun and hassle-free. Whether you're looking to beat the heat, enjoy great music, stay active, or upgrade your travel gear, there's something on this list for everyone. If you found a new favorite gadget, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome gear recommendations, and let me know in the comments which summer gadget you can't live without.